y'all, welcome back to my channel. So we still in the process of doing Vlogmas, and I'm looking totally fucking raggedy. But look, bruh, what is you doing? She's so silly. So we about to make cookies today. I just gotta clean up the dishes. Look at all that. Look at all that hard work.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We ran into a drifted bank, and there we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Okay, you guys, so I'm done with cleaning up. So I want to show you the stuff that I got from Target. And what I got from Target is cookies. So I got peanut butter, salted caramel, gingerbread, and sugar cookies. Also, I got from Target is my first set of cookie cutters. So cute, y'all. I'm so happy right now. So today, me and the kids gonna be making our first Christmas cookies. So stay tuned, y'all. I'm about to get them settled because they just got out of school, so they kind of psycho right now. No, mama. Which one you want, Poo? Pick which one you want. The star? Okay, hold it. Here, that's the one you want? Which one you want? Pick one. You want the star? Pick one, KK. Which one you want? You want the, what is that? You want the angel or with a baby? Okay. And put yours right here, Mama. Thank you. Okay, Poo. Here. Yay, Poo Poo. Yay. Okay, come on. Come on, Mama. Where? Yay, KK. Ooh. I don't know if we supposed to leave these things on, but we gonna leave ours on so it can take a shape. Okay. Alright, leave it. Want some poo-poo? Alright, that's enough, KK. Here. Alright. Hold on, about to get you another one. Here, pick which one you want. What you get this time? A bell? What you get? Christmas tree. Thank you. Yay, KK. Alright, here, put your scoop in. You go next, Boo-Boo. Here, KK. Put it right here, Poo-Poo. Come on, Poo-Poo. Stop, KK. Yay, Poo-Poo. Alright, let's see. Hello? Okay. It looks fucked up, but it's actually good. This is really good. Hold on now. I'm gonna still check a picture of them. I put the rest of them. I think what I did wrong was one, you're not supposed to fill the cookie things up to the top, I guess, because they like all came over the top. And two, you're not supposed to add so much damn butter because it was like thin, but I thought you were supposed to. Because I'm using the butter. Next time when we make cookies, I will do it with the sticks. Because it said one stick. On the sugar cookie though, it said to, if you're going to do the cutout cookies, to put some extra flour in it to make it stiffer and then cut it out. So yeah, it was my fault. I had did it wrong, but it came out still good, but I want it excellent for next time we make our cookies. Alright, so basically what I didn't know is I don't think you're supposed to cook with them because it's hard to take it out. So this the heart. I'm gonna just trim the edges around it. At least try to make some edible looking Look at that. You can't see it from the front, so I'm gonna show y'all the back. Mama! Mama! Eee. Mama! Where is it? Kaylin, look. It's a heart. I love you. Yeah, let's get KK first impressions on her first cookie. Aww. Alright, let's do poo-poo. Here, you sit down and enjoy your cookie, mama. Let me get poo-poo one. I'm gonna get you one little girl. I ain't forget about you, girl. Poo-poo got her hair washed and you know, little drama queen, my little drama queen. I'm gonna get her let's get her a little gingerbread. Don't that look like her? I'm dead. No, it's not bad, but I know next time, nah. Alright, I'm get my poo-poo hers. I think it'd be better if I let it cool down. Look at the little gingerbread! Uh-oh, I'm fucking it up. But there you go, that's how I look from the back. Alright, poo-poo. Let's see poo-poo reaction. That's my poo-poo. She don't discriminate. Is it good, poo-poo? Let's see if she go for a second bite. Uh-oh, look, KK. Shit, I'm finished. Now, don't touch her stuff because you already had yours. Oh my, look how she turned it up. Girl, don't make me get geeked. Chill out, B. I got enough leg. Here, KK. You can sit right there. Hell yes, girl. You talk with your mouth full. That's how you know it's so good. All right, I'm about to sit you down so you can enjoy your cookie. What would we call that? A gingerbread muffin. Because it's triple the size of cookies. All right. Thank you, ladies. I had fun. Y'all was awesome today. Poo-poo. She won't look at it. She grabbed the crumb. Y'all saw that? You ain't slick. All right. Oh my God. So much. You know what? What? You still talking about that? Yeah. Bro, that's Shannon. She whispering. She asked me if I was still talking to you. Alright. So this my look. This my second attempt. So I thought I'll make the cookie balls, like you know how you make the little balls, individual cookies. Look how this turned out. Yeah. I don't even know. I don't think cookies is my thing. You know.
Jingle bells.